Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Integra Electrical. My name is Josh Nelson. This video is going to be sent over to Basil, just showing you guys how you guys can adapt your website to get more customers online. I'm going to go over a few things. One being the content on your website and everything involving your website, including SEO, as well as the Google My Business portion. The Google My Business portion of business online. So the one thing that you probably are wondering is, why am I getting this video, right? Well, there's a few things that you guys can be doing to get more customers online. And these are going to be, I will go over them right now. Is content, first of all, right? So you guys have your guys' website. It's a beautiful looking website. The only thing that's missing is content. You guys don't have a whole lot of it. You got some of it down here, right? But we want it to be loaded with keyword rich content, right? Keywords being electricians or, enhance electric, or, it could be anything, but we want to figure out what those keywords are, right? And one way we can do that is actually take your guys' URL here, and I can put it in my little paid tool. It's called Eris. There's all kinds of free tools out there as well, but I prefer to use this one. And we can kind of figure out what you guys have for the SEO side of things, right? So our website needs to have content, and lots of good content, as well as SEO. SEO is more or less this. It's our backlinks, our referring domains, but we're going to be going over the keywords for right now. We'll go back to these in a second. So you guys are currently targeting 997 keywords, which is awesome, but we need to figure out if you guys are ranking properly with those, right? And one way we can do that is just like this. We can go into here and find keywords you guys are ranking for. So you have Integra Electric, right? You guys are position number 1. This is your name. Electric company near me. You guys are only in the 18th position. So you guys are actually losing customers because you're on the back of the second or the front of the third page, on Google. And this is getting a huge search volume. That's 5,000 searches every single month. So we want to really make sure that you guys are really focusing on big keywords like these, electrical job hiring, right? You guys are in 6th position for that. Not bad. Another big one, we have electric companies hiring, right? 900, you guys are in the 15th position. You've jumped up a few spots, which is good, but so those are kind of some things we want to focus on in regards to your keywords, as well as what we're going to go into here now. And we're going to start comparing and figuring out where you guys can start to improve, right? What we're going to do is actually find your competition, right? We're going to search electricians, Iowa. One thing I didn't mention, but I will throw in here quick, is these ads. These Google ads work great, right? So we've got Wire One, we've got Early Birds. I think there was a few other ones. Nope. So these guys are currently running Google ads, and these are really, really effective. But first things first, we're actually going to take your top competitor in the organic section, right? We have the Google My Business map pack that we want to get you guys. You want to be able to be in the top 1, which you are, or top 3, which you are, which is awesome. You guys are killing it on your reviews. But we want to make sure that we're up high enough in the organic section here as well, right? Let's see. We're not seeing you on here as of right now. But so what we'll do is we'll actually take one of your competitors here, right? And what we can do is we can compare and contrast. It's not all about numbers, right? It's all, obviously we want to have more backlinks and more keywords, but we also want to have good relevant ones, right? And so that's why we kind of compare and contrast to make sure that we're getting the best possible results for our websites online to get the most traffic. So same thing, right? We'll put them here in the Eris. And you're going to see, I would assume the numbers, yeah. So the numbers skyrocket. So volume is important, but also having good, valuable keywords and backlinks is super important as well. And so this is one thing we're just going over as keywords. So I'm going to kind of continue on that tangent, and we're going to compare here, right? So you guys were 1 for your name, 6 and 5 and 8 for a couple other ones. But, we really want to be targeting the big ones, right? So like, let's see, lamp repair, no. Electrical, San Antonio. So these guys are global, actually, which isn't bad, because this could mean that you guys, these are some words that you want to be in as well. See, like right here, light bulb exploding. These guys are in the number 1 position for this. There's 800 searches for light bulbs exploding every single month. So using kind of the compare and contrast method here to kind of figure out what's working for other people and what could work for you guys. should really start helping you guys boost your presence online. If you guys have any questions or you liked what you hear, please feel free to give me some feedback on this video. Otherwise, as I said to your office gals, this is strictly just informational purposes. But if you'd like to follow up with us, we'd be happy to help you guys. With that being said, everybody over at Integra Electrical, my name is Josh again, and thank you.